Memo bibia kwaba eba TETE MMOFRA online TV so dwumedia wo hwe ye TETE MMOFRA akohunu midin ade goslava fum de bia da metena se na mede nsema echegu wa befo ntintan fidie so ede somwa mini MC Omar Sterling ene ye de bebra wa bra ye be pensen ni mu yie ne yeso ya kire ya adwen enne ye was stories miensa ye beka ho asem ye main story for discussion ene say eya wadam for pa woni ni bokusua tafre ubetimi adate ne mpana dada na anasa na kanchema dada eya kwasi broni ma beka say ne girlfriend and ne boyfriend into that's our main discussion for today and Friday. Your first story aye ba beka ho asem eye abaywa onam abefo ntintan fidie so aye frɛ no ya baby sugar ni nyina ne say one ne boyfriend omutu bata na ye beka say ni gie so kwan so ano mukoduru yeji honom no ye testi to ahwe po ene ba wa no e kam ye koye sese wo de wate kura na onya hu oba ne da ye nkohwe ni videos kakra bi na hwe ne studio sitie you know me see my tolo ina ya ma say just ona mi kene samba yeta odanga zawon you know me see my tolo ina ya ma say just ona mi kene samba azan kwaya danzo ankata no sebino asumo fiju so akrama fita obenya babiada enti minye sika ifefu enti mehwe mwana asa mashada so a tingamu ye enti munyamio vienipa na dwumadi ezimani zuei ngamiyamu apa sao bebia eti sao fie biemu bebia obe nkoso a ajina ya obre. Your next story, a fear Schwarzenegger, the only sure with the nigger. Our ye fear then Yavati as your no cassa. Unsro be our so be unted and in your brand Yanisika. Nensama walking in our barefoot in Tafidiano so at say. Nancy a movie be a chagu a movie in a title no and a dear that so a straw. Na Crawford come once a movie a mobonia dear one. If you Schwarzenegger ascend the audio command near movie near the Diana, your friend Tyler Perry, or they audio command. Social media watch say movie now what they buy entire no Ghana for TV stations I shall see you know TV so mo the adverting you know so it's one Kenya and one almost was on home. You go see if you Schwarzenegger no as emra.
I think no. How are you, Tyler Perry? I hope you are well. Thank you for the movie Straw. My name is Queen Efia Schwarzenegger. I am the owner of Ghana. And I think you need to hear this. There is a television station in Ghana that is pirating your movie for free. They are showing your movie in Ghana for free. And I felt I just have to tell you. Please, if you need me, I am in America. Yeah, precisely. I'm in Yonkers. I can give you my address so that you go and arrest all of them. Ghanaians, they are thieves. They have downloaded your movie from Netflix and they are showing it on national TV. I have all the lists, Tyler Perry. You can deal with all of them. I promise you that. Yes. Thank you very much. Yeah. And if you do all that, I'm not going to take anything. You just have to find me some small $1 million and I'll pack it because I'm helping you. You know the number of people from Ghana that was going to watch your movie on Netflix, that they are now watching it for free on national TV. Not like any better TV, some stupid TV. Tyler, wake up, man. You need me. Let me be your African agent and arrest people for you. God bless you, bro.
say what time a fear shall slay gano. Would you pad a sebby? Don't be me how you need me, you need me, you need me where barefoot. Your last story, abofra. I when you're 18 years or ya bofra. Now also BC wa fru. BC hono na chese. Awaka na enya asem ketewa. Na BC kuro so omutro ya Eastern region so a. Eya abofra bia we di 14 years and no so nsem a nam social media so kire se ono susu awu atrezams na awie kura kire se enye se watro ni nyina awie ba day ne paper watro awie a otrobi e wo prepare can next day so obekwa try another exam and so we free enti and these are the three stories that we are coming to talk about yenche match crampo story na so na for your main topic of today say would you date your best friend's ex? Would you do that? So your first story your person you can will be saying adakatia obia be kombi o ase ye bo wutu o se amotu adakatia obia be kombi yenkwa ne ntentem yemu toto ya baby die ya baby o man ni no o man down for ni ya baby so me person what's a Sunday no hu no right
chale
no oni kobiche ya hu nsa once social media ya say ebia kobiche de na kwagisi oh kobiche me say radmo fanchamiu ne boy no kobiche that's what is going on social media say ebia obetimi de na je sikaduro bi one kasa wo share that kind of me fan say Sunday na hu omo no wo share omumi enu a do you think say looks like omo ye enemies bia na say
na mi hu omo Saturday ne Sunday ni now baby am age my plus night club esebo ni program no mo pass it omo tai ba ho ko bi obi oba oba oye show mama mfu hu obi anim baby obi akunya ne sika ma me ko bi am nim no minim ni say wo de kotere kura to na so wonfa ebuba mo no to ko ha kwa ne ne ntime nyene m kotere no
but yes what tie to
oh it's only there for protection in that time beyond I think say na iska won hu bebre or back club iska won hu for protection on ma say because e bi me kunu ntontwene e was so born hu by intime to mun say registered it you register na say bi o de koboko na so ko e bibisa and ade we ni hu ni say e sign e beto a enka nche say beto Monday e beto Wednesday beto Friday e ba wona we say hu say that be say movement locomotively you see that thing and me the media kwa be en fa to ho ache me we successful na won say me petrol ni ade mo do chabi girls ana link up e wo group bi na me konya girl bi intina girl no person hu me
okay
e wo bantima o kasi in share bantima na e ko share bantima me bi share girl de me penny bia e 20 bi bia e 10k the bab and me didn't go fie no girl ni hu me no be pay me and Mrs. Dent na me stubborn kakra na me very stubborn na dey but then na me stubborn pa me o ka say kura na me do be o ka iya me do be fa bi nti e ko ba say unze na guys won yo ma bi a like ye tie ye show baba akubia o say ye na fa sister ran na ko ye me digina na 1 month there be be chama ye ti na ko na pesa me ye na real quick and na girl no so aba say ye ntena
as open a serious relationship.
You so ba opel no. O ye bibi kwa na se onye okiko person sick of the love or woman into person o ye ma. When was I did that? Na girl na me say an operation on ha say.
The abdomen.
Yeah, an operation. I didn't know catch them by na man ye nti bi o say bi affairs dey me we na major into no kwan bi so dia ye neoma.
Yeah.
Na me say there bi onya be wura dem hu anko ade o say me tifa me so ansan na akofie. E na eja me kan ya girl no so kan ya na akoyese o de me pe wonti no se o se wonyimi ni o de be ye
ai
ana eje okuntuno na me dogi no kura ma me born 1 2 3 na gana so ne yeb
and you born a pine papa what dey ahon dey so
we your mom me say be me man kura se for sex dey say romance bem o fe me ho na we fi we nu me pe romance pa ana romance na ma sex ya de nti sometimes be na so nya oba o pe no
yeah
one night untimi no oba one night enko romance man nye untimi ko fina no ba o girl de utimi fina no fi ba bia man ye
yeah
me girl be beji ma so mu mre bi obefifi ma no gisi etafiri ma sum yiji ma sum fini na be 3 months go sa na menyi ma sum da ebi no ni na e romance mo sex ye de ba we no na me stubborn ti na me pe bibia fast afi me boba ku mienu miensa mo se ge o ya so ni ye na me se ade na o se ni emi ni as o bleedi e ho na me ho jojo ye na fifi sha se ye tene I'm serious. Me ho jojo ye na fi me fili kwa se me be ma biem me be ma ni na jojo me hwo ayera like asem na to me that time now me hu say sa asem to obi a wo say oh God's love next time come asem mi mo
now
me ho jojo me hwo ni na me kwati se me be ma agene ano na agene me hu say me be ma ase na enwi wo me ho ase ho ni na e like feeling na me feel that time na bo be 2:30 am 2:30 boat nya adwuma okumase wo free boat obi a busy wada boat obi o ye boat wada me hu bo okumase da okumase nko na bi wo boat driver se boat over no ma akoda me nya taxi
nti e de na odi ni kudu hospital
me ka ba fe me hu mete ana me so do me nya ne kakan akra me so mete barras to so fly mu nshi dan twesa but this condition na ka me peka am de ne be kokata na say nearest hospital wa around ahun ohye no eni aso ohye no SDA ba mi o ba manka SDA sama so eshi esa wadwe na e style bi o like nipa kra ba kwa unsa ponchi bi na eba so sa so ohye ni bi no eno na wo etisese kwatim di moja hye twiri wo no wi ase me na me hwiri ye no aso ohye ni bi no nti sa asem tu obi a hwe na ya ma out am me kan de ye de nipa no ye nim no ye nim no de nim sese na te ye sign out no in case say you find say get be wu ya kasem na me koka wo dem no waba no aba be wu say obi antie wo me say ansa kwa na be je di say enye sa no na asummo ne ayi atwetwe ne ayi a wa fam no afem yen kakra kakra de gay so full life straight of so niem kakra no watena se otimi tena se be 10 minutes ne ananti 1 minute o waste time so be na de na kakra kakra so full life na dan fu bi ne boa me no ye not a greek or your ba ana pair dropping and the baby fan no so fly the kufi no so the men come relax bi bia be kama God's love meant me anda 12:30 me tena was e ma ne bo 7 e ho na me gidi say utimi tena speaker ho da ma ne yeye e mfa de ho de e to instant ho na bi bitimi ba utimi ya de bia eye enye like as wa bodam
e abnormal bi
inti me de me ho sheko bi shoes me nim star guy na see feeling say wa girlfriend o da wachi wo sore na nim nie wo pen o pe o te wasem asena wuku akuku no insisa science mo amoba out no information na sa na tie o ebia o se de o si hu na sa na sin ne tie ba o se de o si hu ye no ye enim ne soso ye nka say e wo mu se bon sam tim be hye ni pen anytime ba ko bia me nim no onye sa ya bebi so ye cool ba me de ye afutu ama man na youth na amoba no sometimes mumpe bibi nye at least in the mumpe bibi kakra bi kra na like pressure na sometimes ana girls ne tomo mo ho no edwuma bi wo ho mu kosi mo person be so say asimasi hu say no bi on ne kobi ana so bi on ne big man nante na life I see no munyi sa de ni film mu je wo man o mo tesem o mu ye o medwuma o munya mema ware wo mo menka se boy no enye be ma papa ma no ba e wo se mu advice mo ho se ade a maybe anka wo ye adwuma sa time anka wo ne nam ye ji ka wo te ho pamade ana se wo te wo ye obiti wo te ho fix obi ne o sa anka wo nkowu enti blame no ya baby oba pullers bia o person hu ma sterling o person hu chicken na me ne ye one
but on say o ma on asem si sie ya wo ka no on say assign the etimi to ebi ko obi mpotimi wu on or shop na esen abeto no ewu honom but on say assign bi won metimi eya ade bi wo say senka we ni akira anka ma sa
senka wo adwuma mu kra na baby yanko ha my busy onim say wo ye adwuma you can go
one thing that I've noticed about a man I say omo living life like ya life ni bi no most na no say impo be kwa kusua adwuma kra no most na omo fere you
omo fere na make
because as omo live omo life standard bisa so omo ye big girls be enti say bi mpa be kwa kusua adwuma say wo show bi na ase asua adwuma most ladies they don't do that and one thing that worries me much ne say ade nti na wahia bema na bema wo ska say si de wuti ge wonya adwuma we ge ebutu wuti so what ya say ne ene ne ma bi wo hon ma na efia shos ne ge ka asem bi akra he ne na usa wo hyehyɛ ne ade na owu ye no hwɛ ne background na otimi say seni age you kra na wo background na see you see living a life no ontimi live sa life no you get it but I see area so dent na o hye be ma bisa wontimi krampo se mpo wo feel so wontimi nkonkotena obi na ase o waso ever aden na woma uska embie boutique bi ana bibi na wontena ano unlike se be ma as oto aduane ma wodi oto bi ma we ana wo so ato bi ama ti so obolodi
justice for obolo.
Yeah, justice for obolo no so de ehwan na ehwantia o. God's
love, me on. Sometimes a man, me and make say I don't want the top pressure more. Oba ukushia be mama who background. No one who and more obey or the bebo. But we live a lifestyle be a lazio, so you're okay in life. Into a big blue crana.
Okay, and because of some technical itching, yeah, end the program for now. We will come back and add more of the stories with the main topic. Yeah, that's the say when you're brain no way TETE MMOFRA Online TV. Bye bye.